Well, I can see your video screen.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Good. It's already like expanding so much.
Oh my god.
How'd you like that link I posted on your wall?
Yeah, you have to be careful with that. I mean.
Good.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh my god.
That
Oh my god.
It's gonna explode.
If it explodes, I'm gonna clean it up, don't worry. Let's see, it's been 40 seconds, and it's like the size of like both of my fists, maybe? I don't know. I can't really tell.
There's a way to do it where it like pours out from the inside.
This isn't releasing any poisonous gases, is it?
No, it's gelatin. Just animal protein.
Alright, oh my god, it's beautiful.
There's where
Maybe add a minute.
I saw it done, where like it's like a little rusty, but it's like shot.
That's why I had to.
Maybe I need to put like 3 of them in.
It's like a whole, it's like you put a whole bat box in and it just like fills up the entire microwave.
Good. Oh god, it's steaming.
I can smell it from here. I can smell the sugar.
So, it's like poofing up. I'm like,
It smells like cotton candy.
so it does. So that's what
Alright,
that cotton candy is.
Your part does not smell like cotton candy.
No, it's so important to get the cotton candy smells to show what it's real.
No, it smells like s'mores.
Well, it's marshmallow.
It's marshmallow. It cooks marshmallow.
It's a marshmallow, so yeah, it's gonna do that. It's smoking.
Is it burning now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you might want to smell things soon.
Stop.
Stop.
Probably gotta move your plate.
I don't care.